Is life measured by the milestones we reach or by the path we travel? To see life only as a destination is to miss its essence. True wisdom lies in embracing life as a journey with its lessons, detours, and growth along the way. In 2025, UPSC asked us to reflect on the topic. It is best to see life as a journey, not as a destination, urging us to explore how meaning lies not in fixed endpoints, but in the process of living, learning, and evolving. Let us explore this through 8 thoughtful dimensions. Number 1, growth through process. Life's riches lies in experiences, not just in achievements. Example, the civil services preparation itself is a journey of discipline and growth, irrespective of the final selection. Number 2, education as a lifelong learning. Knowledge is not a final destination, but a continuous pursuit. Example, the new education policy emphasizes lifelong learning over rote memorization. Number 3, governance as an ongoing reform. Societies evolve gradually. No single policy is the final destination. Example, India's democracy has deepened through decades of reforms, from Panchayati Raj to RTI to digital governance. Number 4, relationship and bonds. The value of love or friendship is in shared journeys, not in outcomes. Example, Gandhi's ashram life emphasized collective living and shared struggles, not as the final reward. Number 5, spirituality as path, not as end. Faith traditions stress discipline and practice rather than final arrival. Example, Buddhism sees the eightfold path as a journey of practice rather than fixed endpoints. Number 6, economy and development. Nations progress in a continuous journey, not in a one-time goal. Example, India's shift from a developing to a major economy shows growth as an ongoing process, with new challenges at each stage. Number 7, science and discovery. Each finding opens more questions, making knowledge an endless journey. Example, space explorations. Chandrayaan 3's successes leads not to closure, but to new missions and deeper curiosity. Number 8, danger of endless journeys. If one never values the milestones, journey may feel aimless. Example, development without measurable goals can create complacency, as seen when poverty elevation efforts lose focus without clear targets. Life as a destination tempts us with illusions of completion, but life as a journey enriches us with growth. The path teaches us resilience, gratitude, and discovery, while destinations are fleeting. Yet milestones matter too. They give us direction to the journey, serve with vision, but embrace the process as the true reward. Because journeys shape who we become, destinations only mark where we arrive. Now write this in your own words, send it to us. We will help you improve it with feedback. If you have found this reel interesting, do forward it to at least one civil services aspirant, because sometimes even one reel can give you that edge.